For this delicious breakfast recipe, you will need 1/4 cup oatmeal, a medium-sized apple, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon coconut oil or butter, some honey or maple syrup for drizzling, some walnuts or pecans to be toasted later. Let's get started. Cut your apples into small pieces. On a medium-high heat, add your coconut oil and toast your apples for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wipe your frying pan and toast your nuts for about a minute. This is going. Microwave your oats by adding 2/4 cups of water to your oats. I already added the first one, so there go the second one, and you will microwave. Add your apples. Add your chia seeds. And add your toasted nuts. This is a power pack breakfast, I promise you, and it's delicious. Let's add some sweetness to it by drizzling some honey or maple syrup. What I'm using right now is honey. Oh my god, your morning just got better. Food is medicine. Remember to eat healthy and stay kicking. Let's give this a try. Oh my god. This is delicious. I'm sorry for the chewing, but this breakfast deserves it. I can't even speak right now. Please give this a try and let me know. It's delicious and amazing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and comment, like, and see you next time. Bye.